my gosh, guys, I literally just got scammed for this rare jumbo poppet. Some girl gave it to me for all of my fidgets, and I literally got scammed. Look, it's all down in value. It's literally the last one, and no one likes it. No way! She literally has all of the fidgets in the value list. I need to get those fidgets. I have something up my sleeve. I'm going to pretend like it's a scented poppet and spray some perfume on it. This smell will get her good. Let's just spray it. Trading a scented poppet. Did I just hear a scented poppet? I've literally never heard anything like that before. Wait, I know she's gonna come up to me, so let me just hide my top value fidgets. Let's just keep these back here. Hopefully she didn't notice. No, I did not express how good this jumbo scented poppet was. Oh, definitely. I'll give you this melon poppet, my shark poppet, this plastic poppet, and this rainbow heart poppet. I think you did not hear me to add in those hidden fidgets over there. Do I need to repeat my word? Add in those hidden fidgets over there. Okay, you got me. Here you go. That's not all. You need to add in all of those poppets. What? All of my poppets? This is literally my whole collection. I think you're making me overpay way too much. Oh no, this is a scented poppet, and don't forget, it's brand new. Ugh, okay, fine. I'll just do it because I've never heard of a scented poppet before. You got me. Keep them. I can't believe I'm doing this. Jeez, have your scented poppet. No way. This poppet literally smells fabulous. Guys, hopefully her fidgets that I gave her went down in the value list, because I'm pretty sure a scented poppet will go all the way up. But let's check to make sure. What? The jumbo poppet is literally down. No one wants it. I can't believe I fell for her stupid scam. Did I just hear you get scammed? Yes, someone told me this was a scented poppet and I literally fell for it. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Here, try create a poppet. Huh? What's create a poppet? Well, you just talk to the phone and tell them whatever poppet you want. Thank you so much. I really want a cupcake poppet. No way, this thing actually works. I want a whole dimple collection. Guys, I'm gonna be so rich with fidgets. I want any glow-in-the-dark heart poppet. No way. And it's jumbo. This is so good. I think that's enough for now, but I really need to get rid of this scented jumbo poppet.